Hey boys and girls, Miss Couch here. Today I'm going to be giving you the directions of how to navigate your next week in your next lesson here. So I would like you should be in week 3. This is your time review, so it should only take about 1 day. So go ahead and you click on that. Now in here you should have remember your steps, step 1, step 2, step 3. This one's a little bit quicker because it's just a review on time. So in your step 1 it says time reteach on a separate piece of paper. Complete numbers 1 through 9 before completing the quiz. So this is a review for time. So go ahead and you can go into that. Oops. Of course sometimes it does not work. We go, just simply refresh that. I know sometimes these computer issues have caused problems for us. So, and then you have your number 1 through 9 scrolling down here. This is just on time. So on a separate piece of paper, go ahead and solve those. And then when you are finished, go ahead and go back. And then watch my video. So in my video, I will be going through 3 of these problems here and kind of solving them out. I'll have time for you to stop and pause the video for you to solve them out on your own as well. And then when you are completely finished, you can go into step 3, which is your quiz. Now, I have also added your anchor charts that we have used for over the last few weeks. That you can refer back to at any time. And then, of course, as I said, step 3, complete the quiz, refer back to your anchor charts as needed. So here you have your quiz. It will probably look a little bit different than mine here, but you have 8 questions going through. They're all multiple choice. Make sure that you're solving those out and putting your answers in and double checking that you picked the correct answer that you wanted to submit. At the very end, you're going to submit that, and then you are finished with week 3, our time review. If you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of myself or your teachers.